Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Happy Wednesday. Long time no see. Let's see who's in. Gomez. Good afternoon, Gomez. Right, okay, let's wait for a few others to join, then we can start. Mhm. How have you been, Gomez? How's everything going? Right, okay, let's. It's been a while. Mm-mm-mm. Hello, Eliada. How are you? Good afternoon. Good morning. All good, all good. Okay, let's start while others are join. Right, okay. Uh, I got a chance to look at the map after a while, actually. Okay, right, okay. We had a nice 2 days. Monday was Tuesday. We left a very tiny fair value gap here, and if price start moving up, want to be leaving this fair value gap as well. I'll be watching if we leave any fair value gap today or not. This leg down swept all this here, and then we got a CISD on this one over here on the daily close over here yesterday. But looking at the 6 hour, we failed to invert this one, but I'm not too bothered about this one because this massive is all this price action has been inverted. This one is inverted as well. This one is inverted. So I mean, now really I'm looking at the higher prices. If we get tap into this, we're still in this 6 hour fair value gap, and that's a daily and 6 hour BPR as well. So if from here till here, sorry, till here between, we are in this 6 hour BRP. Hi, Paul, how are you? Okay, so and on the price on the way down, not leaving any fair value gap. So I'll be leaning more uh, towards higher prices, these equal lows, and then all-time high. That's all-time high, isn't it? Yes, that's the all-time high. For me, that's the drawn liquidity. So any retrace tap into any imbalance price action, fair value gap or something, and price going up, then I'll be looking for longs today, or I mean maybe tomorrow if price just don't dump 1,000 points. You know what I mean? So let's see. So we are in this 4 hour fair value gap now, and this BPR. So there's too much noise. I'll get rid of this. So just keep it on. Right, so we know it's a BPR and a fair value gap here as well. So let's see how the market opens. Okay, 90 minutes fair value gap as well. I'll be watching this fair value gap, then 6 hour, 4 hour, 90 minute multi-time high time frame fair value gap, and this daily fair value gap here. 15 minutes. Did we have any news released today? I'm not sure. Let me check on the different screen. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Let me. Okay, nope, we didn't have any. We have one at 3 o'clock. That is PMI. Right. Okay, we got PMI today at 3, and we got tomorrow NFP. Right, it's NFP week. Right. Okay. Right. No worries. 10 a.m. Yeah, that's a PMI. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Liada. Right. Okay. So that's fine. PMI is. Let's see. Okay, 15 minutes is okay. I want these fair value gaps to hold these prices in version of this fair value gap here, or maybe a CIS on 15 minutes. I'll be looking for longs. on a shorter time frame. Let's see. Actually, I'm just getting used to of. I got a new trading screen today, gifted by someone. So I have a nice big screen for my charts, and I'll be trading on my laptop, so I don't have to change the screens back and forth. Okay, this is a bit a chop here. I wouldn't. I mean, not too keen to take a trades in this chop. Maybe inversion. Let's see how the price reacts over here. We have plenty of room to price to go up. We got previous day high, Asia high, and then all equal highs. So maybe something. Right. Okay. Maybe something when the price opens and sweep all this at the bottom and then start going up. That's the very ideal scenario for me. So let's see. Price come down over here, sweep all that, and see how it react, invert, and then price start going up. That's why I'll be looking. If price stays below, obviously we are below London low and we are below Asia low as well, then I'll be looking. I'm not looking actually take any shorts. If price run down, then I mean, yeah, maybe target to previous day lows. We'll see how the price reacts to these lows over here. Uh, Proper displacement above London low, and then we'll be looking to higher prices. Hello, DB, how are you? Right, okay. I didn't have any trade this morning. Anyone took any trade? I mean, I woke up so late. I mean, overslept. So this was the short somewhere, I think, over here. Someone took it, but I didn't have any trades. So this is like, I mean, in the last 2 weeks, probably I take one or two trades. I can't remember, not much. Okay. We go in 5 minutes. And if anyone have any questions, please do ask. You guys looking at? You looking at shorts, longs? Mm, mm. That's not a very nice reaction, is it? Let's say I'll be watching the inversion of this 15 minutes fair value gap on the side. So I completely forgot. This morning I looked at my emails and I got an email from Apex saying your accounts is been dormant, and if you don't trade, they're going to be uh, all of them going to be deactivated, cancel all the account. And I was like, flipping hell, man, shit. I didn't look at that, and it's been 2 weeks I haven't traded my Apex accounts. So hopefully they will be safe. Otherwise, I'm going to be fucking losing 20 accounts all in a one. I'm very, very, very close to the payout. Not very, about 600-700 quid I need only to get a payout. If I lose all that, I'm this flipping shit. My plan is, I suppose, to wait until New York PM, let just let market settle down after all the news and data. All right, so obviously you're planning not to trade till the 10 a.m. news PMI, and once it's passed, all the chop happened, and then you're looking to trade. Okay, all right. Sounds like a plan. Okay. Yeah, maybe a chop till 10 o'clock. We never know, but I've noticed PMI is not like move a price a lot. Yeah, maybe a quick spike in the price, quick wicks up and down, and then My bias is long, but I don't know why I have a feeling the price gonna dump to previous day low, and this making me so, you know. Okay. What happened? Yeah, my system and we got 2.5 hours for this 6 hour, 4 hour. Let's see if we invert. We already inverted this fair value gap over this one, and this is the second back-to-back fair value gap that I marked this morning. The acceleration gap that we're looking for, and this comes to about equal highs over here, an all-time high, 200%. Okay, but if the first one is already inverted, we are into the second one, then need to be careful. Right market open in 40 seconds. Let's see what we got. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, that's what I wanted. I want the sweep. So it's like proper sweep. So we got this sweep now. 5 seconds. And I want the price to go up, start leaving some fair value gaps here. And then our price just doomed. Okay. I won't be rushing. Recording in progress. Let's see. I'll wait for a few minutes, first 5 minutes, and let's see what the price does, and then we look if we can find some trades, you know. At BOE, CABC, leading hubs live, all the banks together. Not a good sign. In fact, you mean from the PMI to it looks like a very tempting short, but yeah, maybe you're gonna go to previous day low, but I'm not leaning to the short side today. If I miss, I miss. No issues. Actually, that looks good. Anybody is in the trade? Do you see anything that I am missing? So far, nothing. We are on this 15 minutes massive fair value gap over here. Mm. So that's make me hesitant to go short. And that is very uh, 70 points from the previous low. 192 from here. Mm. Mm. Yeah, it looks like gonna go to previous low. I'll wait. I mean, I don't want to FOMO into a short looking at this price. So, and if it goes to previous day low, just look like then I don't have any trade. So I won't jump in. And I'll see what happens as previous day low. Another reason is look at this price action is not very aggressive to the downside, leaving just a one tiny fair value gap here. On 2 minutes, we have no fair value gap. 5 minutes, yes, this massive fair value gap, but yeah, I mean, on this 1 minute and nothing, very slow grind to the downside. So BPR at 338, 30,083. You're talking about this one over here, 15 minutes BPR. Yes, okay. Yeah, we got these two BPRs. Yeah, I'm watching this whole price action on this 15 minutes. Is anybody short? Anybody in the trade? No trade. No trade. Yeah, I can't see any trade. Yeah. Just want to make sure if anyone in trade, maybe I forward trading in the last 2 weeks. You don't feel tired when you're on holiday. You do a lot of shit. Never feel tired when you get back home after a holiday and you start feeling, oh shit, man, so tired. It would be nice trade if we, well, 1 minute 54 seconds for this fair value gap to be confirmed, and then I'll see if CISD done. Wow, that's a massive stop loss, 200 points. Okay, nope, not interested. See how the price is falling here. So even on 30 second, we're leaving no fair value gap except this one that is on a 1 minute as well. And then I don't think so. We have on 2 minutes, we have this in between, this very, very tiny fair value gap on 2 minutes here. So this is the only reason, not sure. Failing from here, tap into it, failed, close below. Somebody want us trade. I mean, can take if the candle close below here with a small stop loss just over here, above it. And if it goes to previous day low, yes, you got to order easily on this. But I think it won't be against my bias today. So you know how I work. I mean, if I miss, I miss. I don't. Well, yeah, this is a 2 hour trade. No, nothing yet. No trade. Okay, okay, bro. Short on Russell. Okay, Russell. How's he is doing? Lower, lower. All three markets are lower. Okay. If this fail again and a candle close below this, might I give a small, any small size try on the short back to back fair value gap on 5 minutes or to the downside or what? These two, one, two, yeah, yes, and I'm sure the target going to be below previous day low. Yeah, 200% come exactly at previous day low. Mm-hmm. If it's fail again, close below here, this candle maybe. City, yeah, over here. Then maybe I give a shot, but that's it. Tired. No long, no short, nothing. I can't see anything yet. So we tapped into 5 minute fair value gap now. And let's see what happened here. Okay. Anything in 2 minutes. Till 10 o'clock, another 15, 20, 18 minutes actually. The price just do nothing, and we wait for a PMI, and then we start getting some action. Is my screen looks okay to you guys, or it's a bit laggy, or my voice? because I'm looking at a different screen, uh, and it's a little like if maybe just for me blurry for me, blurry, all good. I mean, I have a very decent screen, man. I mean, I can't see any blurriness on my. I mean, I'm watching at two different screens, actually three different screens, and I can't see any blurry. Is any blurry for someone else as well? Live price is slightly off. Yeah, we have like few seconds delay in that, but that's YouTube. That's the best we can. Uh, but blurry, of course, we can sort out, but I can't see anything blurry. Just small numbers. What do you mean by the small numbers? You mean these tags? I mean, all the prices and all that is very small. Well, now because maybe I'm using two screens, so any better? Is still blurry, still blurry or any better? Mm. Look how you can trade this price. Oh my God! Look at this. No fair value gaps at all. No, no, no. 1 minute nothing, 2 minutes nothing, 5 minutes. Of course, we have this. It's a very good, yeah. I mean, this I mean. Yeah, might be because this is from the stream. From the stream, I don't know why it's from the stream because my screens are. It's a brand new PC. I mean, it's well connected. I see on my screens it's fine, but I don't know why it's maybe the stream issues. Yeah, you're right. It's slow, and that's why processing and all that is making it blurry. It's like sometimes when we watch any series and all that, and the network and then stream is not like top-notch quality. It's a bit laggy and it's. I think we should wait for the price to give us something rather than jump into nothing. I mean, this is where I can't take any trades. Is it blurry for you as well? Oh, yeah, I inverted this 1 hour fair value gap. I'm watching this. I got IFVG. We're not leaving any fair value gap here. I'm watching. I can. I'm not on a stream. I can get into a trade, just a light risk. But while we are in this fair value gap, I want to wait for 2 minutes. If we invert this 5 minutes fair value gap, and probably I'll take a shot. And we gonna get a CISG as well on that. Looks like gonna be quite big risk on this. How many points? 150 points. Wow. Right. Okay. For some people, it's blurry. For some, not. So it's no me then, right? Okay. Blurry part is not from me. Moria is in long. Okay, so my laptop is total crap. 100%. I mean, I can't say mine is. Mine is working fine for me. And I can't blame the new P screen because it's a brand new. You long, yeah, looks like a long, but I want more confirmation, Maria. I want to jump in. I do not want to jump in while we are in this 5 minutes fair value gap. I need a confirmation. Okay, that's nice. Tapped into this fair value gap, got a nice reaction. Okay, give me a close. This is nice here. Okay, I like it. Okay, let me get rid of this. Otherwise, some people are going to get confused. Well, we are on 2 minutes. Okay. So 5 minutes is close. We didn't get a inversion. Not both of them, just one. Not all these. If I get this inversion here, leaving a one fair value together back, that's going to be enough for me to take a shot. Probably I'll take a shot. It would be nice if the price reclaims London low, So, and we don't have to. I mean, if this. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Okay, this price action here, I want close above in case if I miss the long and price just shoot up, retest something, go, then we don't have to put the stop loss all the way down here. We'll find something over here, fair value gap, retest it back or something like that, and where we can put our stop loss. So, okay, price, this candle close above this white line. I might take a short, stop loss going to be below on this body over here. Are we close? Yes, close. Okay, I'm taking a shot here. Okay, let me enter my other laptop. Okay. Right, I'm in a long, guys, so I enter at this price. Let me. Okay, enter about 3 to 40. My stop loss is just over here. This is a long I'm into. Let's see if it plays. Anybody enter the long? Anybody in the trade? Or just me and Maria? Still, we haven't inverted this 5 minutes fair value gap. Actually, I waited, but I entered on the CISD on 1 minute. That was be a little closer above this. So, are you in? Oh, you in as well? Okay, good stuff. In 5 minutes, it's going to be price might do like this till PMI, then PMI is against us. Our position will be out very quickly. Trust me, 1 week and we're out. Okay. How's your guys' trading been last 2 weeks when I was away? You've been doing good, all of you? Look, waiting PMI week. Oh, you waiting for that week? Okay. Yeah, fair enough. Makes sense. I wanted to wait, but I thought I'd just give it a try. How's your accounts going, Iliada? Stop loss placement. What do you mean by the stop loss placement? Why did I put my stop loss over here? If that's the question, then that not good. Okay, we'll talk about that later on. But it's part of the business, anyways. Yeah, this week, this bearish price. I mean, these two bearish candles. Price came. This look at this wick, and after that, price start moving up. I mean, if we get stop out on this body, price gonna go. So probably price gonna come down to all these weeks. So that's why I don't want to keep my stop loss all the way down here, rather than just below that body and this price action. That's the reason I put my stop loss over here. I mean, there's no harm you can put over there as well, but normally, I mean, I put and I say what 50, 60 points, I think, and if you get another, let's yeah, 40, 50 points. If you get another jab down here and price going up, then I'll have another shot that I say 40 points. Yeah. This because only reason to put below this body is this week. This week, these two price action, price if price come all the way down here, they will go to these weeks as well, I guess. Right, okay, we got 2 minutes for the news. It was so hot in Europe. Oh my God. I was reading news and then it's like at the worst summer, like a heat wave in last, I mean, historically. and there's many people been suffering and died in the last 10 days, actually 10-15 days. It was so hot, so hot. Come on, give us a gold candle. That happens in the meme coins, Aniki does that as well. Where did I travel to? I traveled to Prague, I traveled to Vienna, and Slovakia, Poland, and Germany. 5 countries for 12 days. Yeah, too hot to trade last week. Yeah, that's why I didn't trade. Plus, I was traveling. Prague was really good, and Vienna was nice. Yes, I agree with you. There is no proper discernment. Price is very leggy. I mean, if I'm in trade, I'm in trade. I don't want to cut it. I went half risk anyways, and then obviously my stop loss is there. If I'm wicked out, fine, and then I'll look at another opportunity after sweeping this maybe. So far, looking good. And few seconds, 15 seconds for the news. Guys, if you got wick up, please do manage your position. Price is nicely going up, I think. Okay, right. Okay, let's. That's TP1 for me. I'm gonna close one over here. 67. I entered only 3 contracts. I closed one. I have two, and then probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another contract off for 730 on these highs over here, and then just keep on running to the issue high or something. If the price keep going up, I don't want to. I'm not much of reaction from a PMI, is it? I was expecting some sort of price might come back to these equal lows over here. So I don't want to move my stop. Of course, I closed one over here, one contract. I'm two, so obviously not much of a risk for me. I'll keep my stop loss over here. Let's see. Who who else is in long? Anybody took a long, or did you partial any profits, Paul, from here? It was a nice spot. 70 points, Actually, I didn't back 70. I think it was 66, 67 points, but it's fine. Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, always, just take some profit off. You never know. Even if we get stop out, we are in uh, better situation than before. So boring price action. I've seen last couple of days. It's been really nice price action, isn't it? Last week or maybe something. I was, or it just me when I was looking at the price chart. What happened last week, yesterday's, and all that. It will eventually looks like, well, maybe you're gonna chop for a bit, just do some manipulations and stuff, and then it look like end of the day you're gonna go to Asia high and the previous day high. It looks like. Okay, no, this we got the inversion nicely. I don't want this one here, but still 5 minute CISD still waiting, and we failed to do that. Candle close in 3 seconds. Not leaving any fair value gap on 15 minutes. We go a very tiny BPR of this, a very tiny BPR here on the 5 minutes. Can't draw a box here. It's so tiny. Let market here. Okay. No fair value gaps on 2 minutes. We came to this 15 minutes fair value gap, and then this is what happening. All right. Yeah, it's just a matter of time, Paul. It'll be inward bit of this stuff here, and then price start moving to the upside very rapidly, quickly. It's just this. Bit. You're talking about this order block. This order block that you pull into. We got fair value guy, we got order block, we got a lot of things on the top. All right, guys. There's no point. Just sit me and just watch the price. It's not much the price is doing. If you have any questions, please do ask me. Otherwise, we are into the trade. And this is the trade. I won't micromanage it. I mean, of course, we took some partials, so happy days. Probably I'll take another contract off when we hit this order block, as Paul said, and then my plan was 7:30 a.m. open about this maybe, and then I'll let the one contract run to the Asia high and previous day high, but I will just manage it accordingly. If you don't have any question, then probably I'll call it a day. Please try me if you have any questions, or I will see you tomorrow morning. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the stream. Happy and safe trading. Thank you. Bye.